Hi boys and girls, how are you? It is me, Miss Hanan, and today we're going to be doing a new math lesson together. So last week with Miss Carolise, you guys learned how to subtract tens using tens. Now, today we are going to also be subtracting, but we're using something else. Before we go ahead and get started, just a quick review on subtraction. So when we are subtracting, the biggest number always goes first. Good. So it's always 40 minus 10, not 10 minus 40. The biggest number is always first. Now today we are subtracting using something that we've already used in class, and boys and girls, you know what it is. So take a look. Do you remember what this was called? It is the 100 chart. So we are subtracting using the 100 chart, which makes it a lot easier. All right, so boys and girls, the 100 chart is used to count by ones, twos, 5, and tens. You can also use the hundreds chart for addition and subtraction. Now today we are going to be subtracting using the hundreds chart together. Now I will show you some examples of how to subtract using the 100 charts.
Alright, so boys and girls, what we have here is a hundreds chart. And what we're going to be doing is we are going to be solving 3 questions together. And just as a reminder, the biggest number in subtraction is always the first number. Now, our first question is going to be 70 minus 20. So what I need to do is I need to find the number 70 on the hundreds chart. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make it green. There is my number 70. And now, because it is minus 20, that means I need to go up 2 times because 20 is 2 tens. So let's do it together. From 70, we're going to go 1 and 2. So the answer is 50. So 70 minus 20 is 50. All right, good job. So now we're going to move on and do another question. All right, so boys and girls, our next question is 90 minus 50. So as I mentioned before, the first thing you need to do is find the first number in the equation, which is 90 on the hundreds chart. So there we have number 90. And now because it's minus 50, that means I need to go up 5 times because 50 is 5 tens. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I stopped on number 40, which means 90 minus 50 equals 40. All right, see boys and girls, super easy. Next question is 20 minus 10. So let's find number 20, it's right there. Now I need to go up 1 time because 10 is 1 10. So 1, and I stopped on number 10. So 20 minus 10 equals 10.
All right, boys and girls, so now that you saw how we can subtract using the hundreds chart, it is now your turn to do it. Remember, the biggest number is always first in subtraction. That means when I'm subtracting, I look at my first number and then I find it on the hundreds charts. And because I'm subtracting, I have to move up. All right, boys and girls, good luck. Do your best, and I can't wait to see it